Hello valued customer. To help you get the most out of your new anti-tarnish tabs, we've decided to make this video explaining exactly how to use it and to achieve the most effective results. These anti-tarnish tabs absorb corrosive gases in the air, keeping the air toxic free and most importantly your jewelry tarnish free. And you should know they're also biodegradable, safe, non-toxic, and very easy to use. A great feature these tabs have is they'll let you know when they need to be replaced by changing from its original color, black, to brown. To demonstrate, I'm going to be using a regular 4x4 plastic Ziploc bag. Just take one or several jewelry rings, charms, or chains and place them individually or together in a bag with one anti-tarnishing tab. And tightly air seal the bag like this and store it safely away. This tab will keep your item tarnish free for up to 12 months. It's that simple. They protect all sorts of metals such as silver, copper, pewter, and gold. These 1-inch tab covers 30 cubic inches, which is about a 3-inch box, which equals to a 20 by 15 size bag. These anti-tarnishing tabs have a shelf life of 5 years in the packaging we provide, as long as the packaging stays tightly air sealed. After watching this video, you still have questions, please feel free to contact us. Thank you for watching.